Put an absorbent towel on your armpit and see what happens. Did you know that the absorbent towel you use on your days can also help you with many other things? And believe it or not, one of the uses that can be given to the towel is to put it on the armpits. Many do not know what this weird trick is for, but I assure you that as soon as you know it, you will start doing it and you will thank me forever. But before I tell you what this is for, I will give you some other tricks of the absorbent towel that you may not know and can be very useful. Number 1, keep the wardrobe and bathroom smelly. For this, you should only take an absorbent towel and put a little scent essence or scent softener on it. Then place it in the wardrobe or bathroom, and it will keep them smelly for much longer. Number 2, lower body temperature. If you have a fever, you can always use an absorbent towel as a cold cloth. Just pass by fresh water and then place it on your forehead. This will work very well. Number 3, sock uncomfortable shoes. If the shoes are not comfortable, you should only place an absorbent towel as a sole and it will serve as a mattress. You will notice the difference right away. Number 4, bandage cuts. If you have made a cut while cooking, you can avoid bleeding by cutting a piece of an absorbent towel and placing it in the affected area. It will work very well. Take advantage and let me know from which country you are watching me, so I can say hello at the end of the videos. Number 5, avoid blisters behind the heel. If the new shoes fit you very well and cause blisters, an absorbent towel can avoid this. Just cut a piece and place it on the back of the shoes. This will prevent you from having discomfort. Now we come to the star trick of the video. Soaking the armpits is very common when you wear clothes for many hours. If you are one of those who, when they sweat, tend to wet their clothes in the armpits, the absorbent towel is good for this. You just have to take a shirt or some garment that you normally wear. Then take an absorbent towel and place the adherent part in the same way that I am showing you on the screen. Then put on the garment as usual, and that's it. You will notice that when you sweat, everything will stay in the towel and will not pass to the clothes, protecting it from the bad smell and yellow stains of the deodorant. Which of these tricks did you think was the coolest? If you know any other trick or application of the absorbent towel, let me know below. Today's greeting is for Pablo Garcia from Bolivia and for Eduardo Ortega from Ecuador. Thanks for watching our videos. I say goodbye, wishing you rich blessings.